Good day, everyone. Today, we will use distributive property of multiplication over addition to solve multiplication problems. Our question for today is, how can we use distributive property to solve multiplication problems within 100? So I have here a problem, 9 times 5. So we will use distributive property of multiplication over addition. So step number 1, break apart 9 into 5 and 4. It can also be 7 and 2. It can also be 6 and 3. Okay? Depending on your choice. So we are going to break down this into 2. That means 4 and 5. Step number 2, make an equation. So you are going to draw the equation 4 plus 5 times 5. So multiplication over addition. Next, step 3, distribute 5 each to 5 and 4. So you're going to distribute 5 by 4 and 5 by 5. That means 5 times 4 plus, don't forget, 5 times 5. Step number 4, add the partial products. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 5 times 5 is 25. So add 20 and 25, that means 45. So 9 times 5 is 45. Okay. Now let's go to strategy number 2. You're going to draw. Use counters to solve this. So I have drawn counters. So how many rows do we have? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 rows of 5. Take note, 9 rows of 5. Okay, so you are going to break this down into 2, the 9. Okay, so you can have the first group is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, as what I said earlier, you can break 9 into 7 and 2s, 6 and 3s. Okay, so I have here 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows of 5. So that means 5 times 5. Then I have another group, right? Because we broke down 9 into 2. So we have 4 rows of 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 4 times 5. So again, what is 5 times 5? Very good. It's 25. And what is 4 times 5? Okay, very good. It's 20, right? And add the partial product. So that means 25 plus 20. Very good. So 45. Okay. Now, strategy number 3. You can draw counters like this, and you are going to label each column. So you have columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 columns, right? So how many in each column? 9. So you have 9. This one also is 9. This one is also 9, 9, and 9. So how many 9s are there? 5. Very good. So you have 5 groups of 9, or 5 rows of 9. So you are going to skip count 9s, right? So 9 plus 9, 18. Plus 9, 27. Plus 9, 36. Plus 9, 45. So 5 9s is equal to 45. Now, do you have any question? Okay, none. So you have here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you like this video. Let's go to problem number 2. 8 times 9. Again, step 1, you are going to break apart 8 into 2. You can have 5s and 3s, right? 5 and 3s. You can also have 6 and 2, right? Okay. You can also have 4 and 4. Okay, so let's take 4 and 4. So you have 4, and here is 4, right? So you have step number 2, make an equation. So 4 plus 4 times 9. Again, step number 3, you are going to distribute 9 by each. Okay, so 9 to each number. So you have 9 times 4 and 9 times 4. So you have 9 times 4 plus, don't forget here, addition sign, and another 9 times 4. So what is 9 times 4? Very good, 36. Plus 36, right? So step number 4, add the partial products. So what is 36 plus 36? Very good, it's 72. Okay, so what is 8 times 9? Very good, so it's 72. Okay, now strategy number 2, use counters to solve this problem, and again using distributive property. So you are going to break down step number 1, break down your counters into 2 groups. Okay, 2 groups. So I have here, how many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows of 9. So I am going to write here 8 rows of 9. So we will break this down into 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, or maybe 5. Okay, so we will use the 5. So you have the 5 rows of 9. So this will become 5 rows of 9. 5 times 9, right? We don't have enough space. Then the remaining group, you have how many? 3 rows of 9. So 3 times 9. Okay. So what is 5 times 9? Very good. It's 45. Okay. And what is 3 times 9? 27. So I want you to add the partial product, 45 and 27. So 5 plus 7 is 12, right? Okay. And carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. So the answer is 72. Okay, that's strategy number 2. Now let's go to strategy number 3, skip counting. So how many columns do we have? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 columns. So 8 rows of 9 columns. Okay, so how many in each column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will write 8. This also 8, right? This one is also 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. Okay, then skip count. So you're going to add first. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 8 is 24. Plus 8 is 32. Plus 8 is 40. 48, right? Next is 56, right? 64. And 72. So 8 times 9 is 72 using skip counting. Now, do you have any question? Okay, very good. So we solved 2 different problems today using distributive property of multiplication over addition using 3 different strategies. Don't forget to hit subscribe button and make sure you like this video. Thank you so much.